Hello, this is Bryce from Hope and Haven Homestead. If you've ever had animals that like to spill their water bowls, then this simple pallet waterer is for you.
Really?
This is the pallet of choice for this project. Almost any pallet would work for this. What you're going to do is cut a circle out in the middle about the size of the base of your bowl, and then you're going to build some structure around that circle to keep it from collapsing in. Okay, here we go. Warp speed. Cut out the circle for the bowl. Then you're going to attach two boards perpendicular to the pallet slats like this. I ran out of batteries, so I had to run to the garage and get a new battery for the drill. Once you've attached these, underneath the pallet slats on each end, you're going to attach a 4x4-ish block like this. And that's really all there is to it. Get the thing out to the pasture, fill the bowl with water, and watch them drink. I would not recommend this kind of bowl because they will grab the handles and still pull this out and dump the water. Rather, you can get a tire feeder. I think they're specifically for horses, but they work for pigs and goats that I've used them for, like this, and this works really well. They have never tipped this over on me. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any thoughts on this project or a similar one to it. Have a good day.